Glow differently, walk differently, smell unforgettable. Here's your 1-minute clean girl routine. Simple, soft, elevated. Daily warm shower, gentle wash. Weekly hammam, black soap, kesa, then sugar or coffee scrub. Remove hair with sugar wax, soothe with aloe. Never skip moisture, lotion on damp skin, then a few drops of body oil for glass skin glow. Finish with soft musk, layer matching shower gel, lotion, and perfume. Morning, cleanse, toner, vitamin C, niacinamide if needed, moisturizer, sunscreen. Night, gentle cleanse, hydrating serum, moisturizer, lip mask. Weekly, clay or hydrating mask based on skin. Wash with scalp-suited shampoo, condition every wash, mask weekly, finish with a light serum. Keep brows neat, lashes clean, lips soft. Exfoliate hands and feet weekly. Wear clean clothes, fresh pajamas, change sheets. Brush, floss, clean your tongue, mouthwash. Hydrate, eat colorful plants. Sleep well, move daily. Not perfection, fresh, cared for, confident.